guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today it's snowing outside. I know you can't see out my window that I can see right now, but it's snowing, it's cold. I wanted just super easy, warm breakfast, so I'm gonna show you how to make, you guys, are you ready for this? An apple pie oatmeal, vegan, obvi, but I'm gonna do it in my rice cooker. So if you don't have a rice cooker, you can certainly do this old school style. It's going to take about the same amount of time. It's just with the rice cooker, you can set it and forget it. That's what I'm all about. Set it, forget it, make my coffee, sit down, listen to some jams, wait for that shit to be done. But before I get started, I did want to mention, you guys, my e-cookbook at Secret Recipes from a Vegan Bakery is on sale on my Etsy, which will be linked down below. But I also wanted to tell you to make sure to get this before Valentine's Day because I have these super cute heart-shaped peanut butter blossom cookies that are vegan and gluten-free. So you guys want to check those out, get that book ordered ASAP. You'll be able to download it as soon as you order it, in which case you can then make those cookies for your Valentine. So easy, so fun, so delicious. Let's jump into this bitch. This recipe literally couldn't be any easier. So I have 2/3 of a cup of steel cut oats. Sorry, I'm using a little rice cooker. Hello. This is a mini one. Thank you, Sherry. You freaking rock. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut sugar in there. And then I'm going to add, let's see, a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can certainly just use cinnamon, but I wanted all of the extra added flavors. So before I do anything else, I'm actually going to go ahead and mix that all together, okay? And then I'm going to add half of a cup of a green apple, Granny Smith. Shout out to my grandma. So that's diced up really small. And again, I'm going to mix this around just a little bit before I add my water. So I have about 1 cup of water that we're going to pour in there. Oh my God. And then put our little lid on there. Click it down to cook. And then when it beeps, we're done. You guys, look at our apple pie oatmeal. So I put more apples, some cinnamon sticks. I mean, I'm not gonna eat those, but for decoration. And then I added a little bit of actually maple syrup on top for a little extra sweetness. So let me get into this baby. Oh my God, it's been cooling for a while. This is like, it's so warm. Oh my God, like I could feel like, oh, it's so cold in my house. It's so warm. And those pumpkin pie spices and the apple just make you feel like all cozy, like the holidays. Is anybody else into the deep funk of sad seasonal affective disorder? Well, you know I am. Okay. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandmore.com. Sorry if I'm like showing you my food. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. I got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that jazz. That will be linked below as well. And again, I wanted to give another shout out to Sherry for the rice cooker because we're using it for more than just rice. I swear to God, we use it not just once a day, but like multiple times a day. It is the best. Like, thank you so much. And I'll catch you guys next time. Stay warm.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.